Good morning children, how are you? I hope all are doing well. So children, today we are going to learn block 2, adding 2 digits mentally, and S2, adding 18s and 19s. So children, all of you open your Max readers. Children, open Max readers, page number 23. So children, now we are going to learn adding 18s and 19s. So children, here they are faster ways to add 2-digit numbers too. It is easy to add tens. So children, in this they are saying that it is a easier way to add 2-digit numbers. So it is easy to add tens. So here they have stuck some examples. Add tens. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. 27 plus 20 is 47. 42 plus 20 is 62. So children, firstly you have to know how to add and subtract tens. So children, for example, I am going to show you. So children, firstly you have to know how to add and subtract the tens children. For example, we have 10, right? 0 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. So now I want to subtract 8. If I subtract 8, how much I will get the remainder? Now here 0 minus 8 I cannot do, right? So here I'll just cut the number and I will write in the tens place 0 and I will write it here 10. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. Yes or no children? So 10 minus 8 will be 2. Same like this. 10 minus 9. If you do 10 minus 9, you will get remainder as 1. Right? If you make subtraction, 10 minus 8 will be 2. 10 minus 9 will be 1. You have to keep it in your mind children, this one. Then only you are going to do the adding 18s and 19s. Right? So children, here in this example, look at the next one, next line. It is easy to add 8s and 9s. They are closer to 10. Add 10 and subtract 1 or 2. So children, now I am going to show how to add 8s and 9s. They are closer to 10. Add 10s and subtract 1 or 2. For example, 15 plus 10 is 25. So now I am going to show this example children. So here they gave you 15 minus 8 and one more. So children, now 15 plus 10 is equals to 25. So for example, now we have to find 15 plus 9 and 15 plus 8. So how we are going to find? So 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9. Now 10 minus 9. If you do 10 minus 9, how much children? 1. Right? So if you do 10 minus 9, 1. So 15 plus 9. Here 15 plus 10 will be 25. So if you do minus 1 here, because here we have 9, here we have 10. If you do 25 minus 1, you will get answer will be 4. So why I am doing 25 minus 1? Because here 15 plus 10 is equals to 25. Here down what we are doing? 8 means, sorry, we are doing 9. 15 plus 9. Right? If you see here 10 minus 9, if you do, answer will be 1. Right? So here what we are doing? 25 minus 1 we are doing. It's nothing but 15 plus 10 minus 1. 15 plus 10 minus 1 will be 9. Right? If you do like this, what is the answer you will get? 24. 15 plus 10 will be 25. Minus 1 will be 24. So 15 plus 9 will be 24. Got the answer, children? In the same way, 15 plus 10 will be 25. 15 plus 8. Now we have to do it 8. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. Here we are making minus. 25 minus 2 will be 23. So 15 plus 8 will be 23. Same like this only, children. Just you have to write 15 plus 10 will be 25, right? Here we have 2. 10 minus 8 will be 2. Minus 2 you have to do it. If you do minus 2, 15 plus 8 will be 23. Got the answer, children? Yes. So same way you have to make the addition, children. So now I am going to show how to add the 18s and 19s. It is easy to add 18 and 19. They are close to 20. Add 20 and subtract 1 or 2. So children, here we have an example. Add 18s and 19s. So here what the numbers we have? 15 plus 19 is equal to 34. So 25 plus 18 will be 43. 27 plus 19 will be 46. 42 plus 18 will be 60. So now I am going to show how we got the answer. So children, now I am going to show how to add 18s and 19s. So here we have a number 15 plus 19 is equal to 34. Children, you have seen this example in your reader, children, previous. So now I am going to show how to add 18s and 19s. So children, first we are going to write 15. Right? 15 plus 20. Right? If you do 20 minus 19, how much will get, children? 20 minus 19 will be 1. So we are going to write it minus 1. Okay? So here 15 plus 20 will, so 15 plus 20 will be 35 and minus 1. 35 minus 1 will be 34. Got, children, answer 34? 15 plus 19 will be 34. And coming to the next one. 25 plus 18 will be 43. So 25 plus 20. So 25 plus 20 will be 45. Right? 25 plus 20 will be 45. Now we have to do minus 2. Why we have to do minus 2 from here? Because here we have 18. So to make easier way, what we are going to do? We are adding first 20 and we are subtracting from 2. 25 plus 20 will be 45. Minus 2 will be how much? 43. Why we are doing minus 2? Because 20 minus 18 will be 2. Right, children? It is a easier way to do the answer, children. To get the answer, it is a easier way to add 20 and make subtract and get the answer. So here also same thing. 27 plus 19 is equal to 46. How we got the answer? For example, 27 plus 20. How much? Now 7 is in ones place, 0 is in ones place. So it will 7. 2 will be 4. 2 plus 2 will be 4. 47. So here 19 means minus 1. 47 minus 1 will be 46. Got the answer 46? Yes. So Why I am doing minus 1 here? Because 20 minus 19 will be 1. And same way here also, 42 plus 20. So 262. Now we are going to do my 62 minus 2. Why we are going to do minus 2? Because 20 minus 18 will be 2. 62 minus 2 will be 60. So got the answer 60, children. So to get the answer easier way, you have to add 20. Then if you subtract, for 19 you have to subtract 1. For 18 you have to subtract 2 from 20. So you will get the answer very soon. So children, now one more example I am going to show you. Open your content books, children.